Let's look at Savynt's duplicate identity management feature. It detects duplicates before importing identities or within existing identities in the user's identity repository based on a configurable set of user attributes such as name, date of birth, and city. Duplicate detection during the import process prevents the execution of birthright provisioning rules for detected duplicates. Channel them through a manual review process for adjudication and further handling. This process prevents birthright provisioning for duplicates identified during user import. Users can detect duplicates within existing identities to ensure that the compliance requirements are adequately met and not missed because of such duplicates. A manual review process is used for adjudication and further handling of duplicates. The manual review involves comparing ambiguous duplicates side by side in a workbench and deciding whether to merge or reject them. The duplicate identities are deactivated after the merge process. Let's look at the different methods of detecting duplicates in EIC. The user import job detects duplicates for new, updated, and existing users. Here, detect duplicates through an import job, a manual import, or the Create User API. The duplicate identity detection job detects duplicates for existing users. This method can be used when the job fails during user import or when the identities are imported before running the duplicate identity detection job. This method is used to periodically run the duplicate identity detection job during off-peak hours to see if any identities are missed during the import process. Moreover, this approach is used if the administrator wants to change the course matching and fine matching conditions and retroactively identify duplicates within existing users post the import process. EIC detects duplicates while updating users through the identity repository or using the Update User API. The duplicate detection is invoked only if the Enable Match process during user import option is enabled in global configurations. EIC uses an initial course matching filter in combination with the Jara-Winkler distance algorithm to detect duplicates among a set of users. The course matching filter allows you to narrow down the user set, and you can use different SQL functions or filter conditions to fetch the initial match of users. When the course filter finds the initial set of users, the Jara-Winkler distance measures all the user attributes specified in the set course matching filters definition field under global configurations and finds the identities that satisfy the set thresholds as possible duplicates. During user import, after course matching and fine matching, potential duplicates are identified. The potential duplicates will go through a manual review, after which unapproved duplicates will be deactivated. And for existing users, during the duplicate identity detection job run, after course matching and fine matching, potential duplicates are identified. The potential duplicates will go through the same manual review, after which unapproved duplicates will be deactivated.